Hey everyone! If Street Fighter 6 won't launch or keeps crashing on your PC, don't worry. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through several proven solutions to get the game running again. Let's get started. Solution 1. First, open Steam. Go to your library, locate Street Fighter 6, right-click it, and select Properties. In the left menu, go to Installed Files, then click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Wait for Steam to scan and repair any missing or corrupted files. Once it finishes, try launching the game. Solution 2. Still not working? Try this next. Right-click Street Fighter 6 in your library, select Properties, go to Installed Files, and click Browse Local Files. Find the Street Fighter 6.exe file, right-click it, and select Properties. Go to the Compatibility tab. Check Run this program as an administrator, and also check Disable Full Screen Optimizations. Click Apply, then OK. Now try launching the game again. Solution 3. The next step is to update your graphics drivers. Open the Start menu and type Device Manager. Open it. Expand Display Adapters, then right-click your GPU and select Update Driver. Click Search automatically for drivers and let Windows install the latest version. If you have more than one GPU, do this for both. Solution 4. If you're using an NVIDIA graphics card, open the Start menu and type NVIDIA app. Launch it. Click on the Drivers tab and hit Check for Updates. Install any available updates, then restart your PC and try launching the game. Solution 5. Lastly, we'll make sure you have the Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributables installed. Open the link provided in the description of this video. Scroll down and download both the vcredis.x86 and vcredis.x64 files. Double-click vcredis.x64, click Yes, accept the terms, and install. Once it finishes, click Close, but don't restart yet. Now run vcredis.x86, follow the same steps, and install it. Now, restart your PC. After completing all these steps, Street Fighter 6 should now launch and run without crashing. If this video helped you, please leave a like, subscribe, and feel free to ask any questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching and enjoy your game.